Hi guys, today I want to share with you ST Gucci Mortise lock set. In the first part, I will show you how to disassemble the lock. Take out the 3 screw in front the mortise. Take out the key and then the profile cylinder. Make sure the cylinder in this position before you take out, or else it won't be coming out when you pull it. Take out the Allen key screw at the handle. Take out the cover and you will see the screw holding the handle. Take out all the screw. Do the same for both sides and pull out the handle. Pull the shaft and the mortise will be coming out. By just pull it. To change the direction for the door slot, press behind here and turn the slot into the direction you preferred. To install, it will be the reverse step on taking it out. Please like and subscribe, and I hope those video helped.